Cold nights, walking on the street.
Welcome back to this SAAB revival. In the last episode, I introduced you to my father's old SAAB 95, a car that holds a special place in my heart.
Today, we'll go through the 5 major problem areas of the car that needs to be fixed.
Firstly, the engine is probably in a pretty sorry state, potentially even beyond repair. Last time this car was driven, the oil light flashed whenever driving on low RPMs. That could be because of many reasons. I'm just hoping that the engine isn't worn out completely. In addition to that, it's also missing some crucial parts of the engine, like the throttle body, the vacuum controllers, and the direct ignition cassette. And that's just simply because it's been used as a parts car to keep my other SAABs running. Secondly, the tires are bald, some don't even hold air, and the wheels just look terrible. I got these for free, someone just painted them black without doing it properly. And thirdly, the brake system. The handbrake wasn't even working when the car got parked. The rotors are rusty and the rear brakes are seized. And at least one of the brake lines cracked last time this car got moved. So now the car doesn't have any brakes. Fourthly, the car has a lot of rust. The fuel tank belt is broken, the trunk floor has a big hole in it, the lower part of the door frame is missing a big chunk, and the trunk lid has developed a ventilation system. And finally, the exhaust was also taken to fix another car, but we should have enough spare parts to build a new one. These are the parts I have to work with. This is a broken exhaust system from my other SAAB 95, which has the same flange as this car. If I can cut this flange off and put it on a good muffler, I could probably grab the pipe from the broken exhaust, add some type of muffler, and then put on an exhaust tip to make it look good. In the next episode, we're gonna check if we can get the engine running and free up some of the brakes to get it moving. If you want to support me, just leave a like and tell me what you think of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for updates on this restoration project. If you have any questions or suggestions, just leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next episode.